Hey kids, Chef Steve here, and today we are going to take two of favorite kids' dishes and bring them together into one dish, and that's pizza and burgers. Bringing them together to make a beautiful, wonderful, fun, and delicious pizza burger. Not very difficult to make, and very fun, and very, very delicious. And just like every other recipe that uses a stove, please, please, please make sure you grab a parent or an adult, just any adult that you have in your home with you to help you do this recipe, because I don't want you to get burned on the stove. So the ingredients for this dish are very simple, very easy, and it's going to make a delicious pizza burger. First and foremost, you need ground beef. You get this in the butcher area and the meat area of your grocery store. 1 pound of ground beef. Next, shredded mozzarella cheese. That's going to make the ooey gooey topping, and the cheese is going to be all melty and lovely on top. Next, we're going to need pizza sauce. You can get pizza sauce in the canned food aisle. Usually there's a section with pizza sauce and like pre-made pizza dough and stuff like that. 1 can or 1 jar of your favorite pizza sauce. Next, we're going to need regular old hamburger buns. Just the plain old, whatever kind you'd like, but these are just plain old hamburger buns. And then a little salt, a little pepper, and a little garlic powder. And that, my friends, is it. All right, so first and foremost, we want to have the oven preheated at 350 degrees, so that when we bake the pizza burgers, the cheese will melt nice. We also want to have a frying pan. We're going to preheat the frying pan, and then we're going to take our 1 pound of ground beef and we're going to put it into the pan. Now you'll take a wooden spoon or a wooden or a spatula of some kind, and all you want to do is just break up the meat, and you want to get it into as small pieces as possible as it starts to cook. And you're going to want to cook this until it's almost done, until it's a little bit pink and mostly brown. So we're doing this on a medium-high heat, and as it's starting to brown, we're going to start to season. So we have our salt and pepper. We're going to take a couple of pinches of salt, nice big pinches of salt, a big pinch of pepper, incorporate it in there, and then we're going to get our garlic salt as well. So we're just going to shake some garlic salt in there as well. So now we're going to get a lot. That's going to give the meat lots of great flavor and help it be more pizza-like with the garlic. Okay, so now the meat is all browned, and we went ahead and just scooped out some of the excess grease, so the meat is ready to go, and it's time to add the pizza sauce. So we're going to take the whole can, and we're just going to put it in, and we're going to incorporate it and fold it into the meat and let it work together. Now this recipe should make about 8 burgers, but I'm just going to do 4 for the sake of this video. And the tops are usually thicker than the bottoms, so I like to press the tops down to try and thin them out a little bit to make them the same thickness so that each burger is the same. Next comes the meat. And now it's time to add the cheese. So now we're ready to put these things in the oven. Again, we have our hamburger bun, hamburger that's seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic salt, and then the pizza sauce, and then the shredded mozzarella, and that's it. Into the oven until the cheese melts and starts to get golden brown. Let's do it. it, guys. Look at these. The pizza, the buns are nice and crispy and crunchy. The cheese is all gooey, melted, and golden brown on top. And the meat is ready to be eaten with all of its wonderful flavor. And here's dinner for the family. And there you are, kids. Once again, it was great working with you. And now you have your pizza burgers for dinner, the best of both worlds, the best of the burger, the best of the pizza. The burger bun is your crust, the ground beef is both your burger and your pizza, and this ooey gooey mozzarella cheese. So good, so delicious. I will see you again another time with another recipe. Have a great one.